Namaste friends, welcome to Lifestyle with Din. We are at Canggu Beach and today I thought that I'll talk about structure because as observed life in Bali, it's a melting pot of the East and the West, and I believe if you don't have the right understanding of structure, we can either underdo it or overdo it. And the problem of underdoing structure, like we see in the East, is chaos, and when you overdo structure, you see in the West there's a lot of stiffness. And this chaos and stiffness exhibits itself in many physical, mental, and emotional ways, as seen in the personality types of people from the East and the West. So, in order to have an optimal structure, first of all, you need self awareness to understand who you are, where you come from, what are your generalized conditionings. And now we live in a very mixed world. Some people are from the East with a spiritual brain, with a dogmatic religious brain. From the West, very structured, very scientific, lacking faith. But then we also have like cocktails of these mixes. So we have to first be very self-aware and then find our optimal structure in between chaos and stiffness. And if you can find it, you will not only open up your body to a newer, more functional manner, but also your mind, your emotions, and your energy. And once that takes place, you will naturally flow towards what is meaningful and purposeful to you, rather than being enslaved by a concept, by one thing or the other. So, a common practice that you can do today is start with self-awareness and start seeing through your belief systems. Start noticing the other side of the coin, which you till now might have considered to be a taboo, which might till now you might have considered to be non-existent. And when you open yourself like that, you will open yourself to a newer world. Traveling is a big way of doing this because it opens you to a newer dimension of thought or thoughtlessness. So if you are indulging in chaos, if you think your structure is lacking totally, try to find some more structure around you. If you are totally indulging in stiffness and you can feel it in your body, your rigidity, then try to open up a little. With that being said, a lot of love and joy from Canggu. Namaste from Lifestyle with Din.